So we're making our way up to the top just so we can see how much the price is to hop on the wheel. You can see like it's going very, very slow. That's why I thought that it wasn't moving. I wonder how long it takes to go all the way around. So the tickets for 2 adults to get onto the Ferris wheel was $6,400 reais, which is about 13 bucks. So not too bad. This is for a solo trip. All right, guys, so we made it onto the Ferris wheel. You can see like it goes extremely, extremely slow. So I'm gonna time it. Right now it's 11:52. And let's see how long it takes to go all the way around. How many minutes? I bet I can guess at least 15. And here we have some views of the beach here. Some people actually in the water, so we have some jet skis. They're pretty cool walkways. You can kind of go all the way to the end of the beach and look at the beautiful view. Some mountains in the background here. Pretty nice. I have to say, guys, just being here for like an hour in the city so far and just driving through it, like this seemed like just the perfect balance of like what I've been looking for, of like having like a, you know, a decent sized city where you have things to do, have a great, beautiful beach, and also a very safe environment. And I feel like here it has that feeling, like it checks those boxes. Like you can see it's extremely developed, very nice. They have great beaches. They have some all the way to the end of the coast. There's a couple of other beaches that I've bookmarked that I want to check out as well. And it seems like it's very family oriented. Everyone has a kid. I think Brazil in general, I felt that, to be honest. Maybe Rio not as much, but in general, like in Salvador, Floripa, Parachi, like it's a lot of families. But yeah, this is like a very great place to live. And I wish I would have known about this city before I booked a month in Floripa. I would have checked this out online to see how much an Airbnb is here, specifically something right across from the water. But when I get back home, I'm gonna check just to get an idea. I'm assuming it's probably is a little bit more expensive, but I was just, for my own curiosity for the future, want to know like how much roughly. And if I find out before I post the video, I'll put it up on the screen here of like what like a 2-bedroom apartment would cost just generally. So yeah, check out the views. I can only imagine like all on one season, peak season, probably this beach is probably just jam-packed full of people. Right now it's very tranquil. All right, guys, so right now we are halfway up. So we're at the very top. It took about 11 minutes. So I'm guessing 20 to 25 minutes total to come up all the way around. It kind of depends because they don't always stop the cart when you jump on. Depends on if someone's like a little bit older, elderly, or handicapped, or have a kid, they may stop it. But I feel like since we've been up here, it has stopped quite a bit. So I guess it kind of just depends on who's waiting in a line downstairs. So guys, we're about to hop off. It's 12:13. So yeah, it took about 22 minutes, let's just say, to go all the way around. So not too bad. Now the line has definitely increased since we came around 20 minutes later. So now that we've walked off and left the gondolas up there, we're gonna just walk across this pier to the end of the pier, try to get some good views of the ocean, of the coastline. It really is like the perfect day. Like the weather, it couldn't be any nicer. I'm glad there's like no rain, sun's not too strong. Very easy to just walk and just take your time and don't have to worry about sweating or maybe being uncomfortable or anything. So we got lucky. I guess maybe we can get to that other beach by walking through here. It's like a little trailway. It's like a little like exclusive, like looks almost like a private exclusive like beach over there. There's a couple people back there on the sand. Here, made it to the end. It has like the arrows of like the different beaches. Praia de Bruco, Praia de Canto, Praia Central, Praia Agrestes. So 4 different beaches. So I think next we're gonna try to go back around and head across this walkway here to this beach and then see how far this wraps around. Probably can get some really good views back here. So we made it here from the other side. This is where we were just a few minutes ago. And we're gonna take this walkway all the way around, see how far that it goes. I know initially like it does take you to this little small private looking beach over here, straight ahead. And then it wraps all the way around as well, these trees. So I'm not sure how far it goes, but yeah, we're gonna check it out. This bridge just reminds me of like when we were in Puerto Iguazu, going to the Iguazu Falls. It's like a lot of bridge that takes you from different viewpoints of the waterfalls. And if you guys haven't watched that video, check that video out. We just did a video specifically on the Argentinian side of the Iguazu Falls. And please, guys, hit that like button, subscribe button if you haven't already. We have a lot of content coming. I have to say, guys, this trail goes a lot further than I was expecting. I thought it kind of stopped right around where this rock is, but you can see it kind of keeps going. So I wonder, I'm curious to see how far it actually goes. I didn't see a map, but I might have passed it by mistake. We're gonna go a little bit further to see if we see some sort of endpoint or if it wraps around some sort of way, but I didn't see that. Oh no, guys, we found the entrance. I mean, the exit, not exit, but the end of the trail, which is just like another like 2-minute walk. And you have these great rocks here with the ocean. It's beautiful. What a beautiful city. Like I really wish we would be staying in this area for a month. It's perfect. It's paradise. Very safe, very modern. Great views, nice beaches. So now we're just taking a walk down the Malecon to check out this Italian restaurant that we found on Google. And it's just magnificent. Like it's really, really nice out here. I think this is my favorite city so far in Brazil. I mean, Rio is always to be like, I guess, a true #1 because there's so many things there to do. The beaches are so nice, but here it's just very beautiful and just tranquil. And you can just really enjoy yourself here, just sitting by the beach. Have other activities here as well. There's a few sites to go check out that we haven't hit yet. That's more towards the, I guess like the southern part of the city. So we started all the way up north and we're kind of working our way back. So we made it to Cristo Luz and we're taking a van that takes you up to the tops. It's just like a few second drive up. You can park your car for free. And it's like a couple like mini vans that's waiting to take you up to the top. So it costs money to get into the Christ statue. For foreigners, it's about like $8 a person. Kids are free under 5. If you're local, it's like half price or something like that. But I wasn't anticipating on paying to come in, Usually things like kind of free, especially because like it's a smaller statue. It's not like the major one in Rio. So yeah, like I was saying, I've been to a few like Jesus statues across Latin America, Peru, for example, Ecuador, they have something. And usually just drive to the top, it's free, you take a picture or two, get out, and that's that. But if you got in Brazil, they charge you for every single thing, guys, everything. No matter how big, how small, there's a fee for it. So, something to keep in mind. And here we have another Christ the Redeemer statue in Brazil. So you do have really good views up here. You can see of the city. Want to get out, Gene? And here we have it. So there's a restaurant up here as well. They give you like a ticket for like discount. It's a gift shop. It's not like a little playroom for kids, but it's not really too many people up here. It's like maybe a couple of other visitors. So we kind of have it all to ourselves. But yeah, nice views. Statue's nice. And there's also like a walkway you can get up. It's like there's no elevator, but you can walk up the stairs. You can kind of go to the other platform as well. And here we are on the top platform here. And then some more great views. So yeah, so a little underwhelming for like 12 bucks or whatever it is per person. Especially considering if I think the Christ the Redeemer, the Corcovado and the Rio, I think normal price is like 20 per person. So you figure this is a little bit less, but a lot smaller. And less of a, you know, tourist attraction in terms of Brazil. But yeah, I knew it was a catch when I saw like a big sign that said free parking. I'm like, nothing's free in Brazil. And there's like, they have like a transportation car that takes you up and down. And I'm thinking, something's not right. They never have anything free like this for you here in Brazil. And then boom, they hit you with the ticket booth and it's like 12 bucks a person. I'm like, there we go. Hey guys, so now we're pretty much at the last point of entrance of things we want to see in the city. Parque Oni Praias. So this is where we want to take the teleférico. I know there's a couple other things inside, like some sort of amusement park to some degree, but I'm not really sure, you know, like age range or who it's for. But our main goal is to go in and to get the tickets to, as you can see, they have teleférico to the right. It's like a park, you can do like a zip lining, and I think kind of like a small, like little roller coaster type of thing. And then you have the famous pirate ship across the street there. So we'll probably check that out once we leave. So we're gonna go inside and see how much the tickets are and let you guys know in a second. All right, so we just made it onto the teleférico. To get into the park, which is all inclusive of this cable car as well, was about same as the Christ statue. It was like $12 per person. Kids are free before 6. And it seemed like that was for all people, not just for foreigners or whoever. It's like the same price, I believe. But yeah, so we're gonna take this over to the park. We have about an hour. The park closes at 5:30. So, and that's usually around the time it gets dark as well, this time of year. 5:30 is completely dark. So yeah, let's check out the views once we get out of here. Yeah, so I'm not sure what all this park has to do inside. Like I see, like it's like a kid's park. You can play outside, which is that might just be totally separate from that. But once we get to the top, we'll get a chance to see what's available to do. So once you get off the first stop on a teleférico, it's just like the actual park. It looks like there's different like individual activities, and it seems like it costs money to take it for each separate thing. Like this train ride, there's like a little like small like kind of like a kid roller coaster it looked like. We're gonna walk to the viewpoints, but yeah, it looks like, so the price that we paid at $12 was just for the teleférico to get up to the top, to the viewpoint and to the park. And then if you want to get on a ride or any of the other small activities that they have, that's like an additional fee. So yeah, I didn't see anything where it was like an all-inclusive downstairs. It's like you have to pay like a la carte. And we've made it to one of the viewpoints, which is the ocean one. There's a couple different viewpoints. I took the ocean route first. And here the teleférico that's going up and down. Pretty neat view. You have the ocean and the beach right to the left. And here we are at the second viewpoint. All right guys, so that's gonna wrap up this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We got a chance to do everything that we pretty much wanted, except for this beach called like Laranje, I think it's pronounced. We were able to take the teleférico to the very end to see the beach, but since it's almost closing time, we couldn't get out to take a closer look. But we did get a view from here, and which was nice because the sun's setting, so it was a pretty nice view. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.